What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo and today I am going to show you how to create your push notifications campaign on Zeropark. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm inside the homepage of Zeropark and today we are going to create a push traffic campaign with Zeropark. But before we dive in, I want to tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta. That's right, we are beta testing our new platform, the Deberoo Suite, and basically it is a all-round affiliate marketing platform with all the tools and all the help that you could ever need for your affiliate marketing journey. So make sure to scroll down to the description where I put the link, and from that link you can sign up to get free access to the Deberoo Suite. So go do that. Now let's focus on this push campaign. I'm on the website of Zeropark, and if you don't have an account for Zeropark yet, you can register very easy by clicking on this sign up button. And when you've done so, you will get to this page. You will have to fill in your details and then you can continue to the billing info and the contact details. It's very easy, very straightforward. I already have an account, so instead of signing up, I am going to log in to show you the inside. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Then let's do it. All right. Cool. Here we are. Okay, so right here it says new campaign, and that's what we want to do today. So let's click on it. Let's click on it again. There we go. Awesome. So choose the traffic type. Obviously, we are going with push notifications, and we are going to... Are we going to target? No, we are going to run a network. That's fine. All right, so we want a campaign name. What are we going to focus on? Shopping gift card. Argos gift card, sure. Yeah, we'll go with the Argos gift card. So I don't remember this offer exactly, but I believe it was like a voucher of an X amount of money that you can spend at Argos, a gift card basically. For sort of a sweepstakes. So we are going with the classic push and in-page push. Sure, we'll do both. We're going to go with CPC, and we are going to run in the United Kingdom since Argos is a store, a grocery store in the UK. And let's see, geo-targeting on country, yeah, we already have that. I don't want to specify on regions and cities, so that's all fine. Language targeting, I don't care about that. As long as you live in the UK, you can see my offer. I don't care. CPC, suggested bid for United Kingdom, is 3.25 cents. So I'm just gonna go with 4 cents. Whoops. There we go. And the daily budget, let's say 150? It's quite a lot, but whatever. Probably won't spend that whole budget anyway. Alright, the traffic filters, desktop and mobile, desktop only or mobile only. I want to go with mobile only. Advanced, browser, I don't care. Network source, I don't care. And operation system, I don't care. To be quite honest. Frequency filters, 24 hours, meaning one time 24 hours. Your campaign will receive some visitors no more than once per 24 hours. Exactly. All right, cool. Adult filtering, it's a non-adult offer. Day parting, yeah, I want to run 24/7 initially to start out and to see how my ad is performing over the 24/7 time of the week. So I want to basically get data on every hour of every day of every week. And then once I have some data, I can decide to basically optimize on these hours. And maybe 2 to 3 won't work, and maybe 1 to 2 don't work. So then I would do this. But at the start, I want to test out everything. Cool, so then we have the push creative specification. Please add here your push campaign creative inventory, image, title, and description. Will do, sir. Will do. All right. Upload image to add creative preset, 0 out of 10, so we can add 10. I am just going to give you one example, but I would definitely recommend split testing some of your creatives so that you know what is working and what is not. All right, 192 by 192. Okay, so let's go into Canva. There we are. We're going to create a design, custom design. 192 by 192, and I did do a video with a sweepstakes for another shopping. There we go, there it is, awesome. So we can basically just use this for the Argos offer as well, right? It's also a supermarket, a grocery store, so sure, let's drop that in there, awesome. And then we are going to add our title, free shopping at Argos. Description. Click here to claim your Argos gift card and go shopping on us. Gift card is 2 words, whatever. Okay, cool. That looks pretty dope. So this way you could even get more creatives, as you can see. So then you could maybe split test a title, different headline, or split test a description. Right? So that you get some more data on what is working, what is not. You could also say, I am going to do the same headline, so like this, and the same description, but with a different image. And that way you get data on how these images are performing. So play around with that a little bit, do some of the same titles with different images, do some of the same images with different titles and descriptions, play around with it, and the more variations you have, the more clearer your data gets and the better observations you can make. And based on those observations, you can make better steps into scaling your campaign to profit. All right, let's continue. Destination URL. So this would be your destination URL.com, whatever. Conversion tracking, I like to use volume, so I'll keep it on that. And conversion payout, auto, fine with me. Conversion capping, disabled, fine with me. Campaign status after approval, active or pause, I want to keep it active. And the conversion capping obviously is in use when you have an offer with an X amount of conversions per day. For example, some offers might say, okay, no more than 20 conversions, because otherwise it might be very risky, right? It might be a fraud, for example. So if that's the case and you have a cap from the offer, you would just put in enabled and put your daily cap of 20 in the case that the cap is 20. So obviously you would just take that over from your offer. I'm going to leave it at disabled right now. We save that, and that is that. Easy as that. Campaign created successfully. It couldn't be any easier to set up your push campaign using Zeropark. So that's going to be it for this one. Don't forget to check out the Deberoo Suite Beta. You can still get your free access and free software while we are still testing our new platform. So check it out, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.